Hey guys, it's TWT today, and we're gonna be doing a unedited, completely fresh market analysis. Okay, and the reason why I'm making this video is because not because I've seen loads of people request for this, is because I know from a student perspective, this is what I would want to be looking for. I want to see someone unedited, raw, going into the charts with no idea of where the market's going and just trying to figure out what and where I see things going, okay? And so I feel like this is going to be a super useful video for those who are just starting out to learn how to trade, okay? So I'm going to literally delete a bunch of the stuff that I've got on these charts. Not so much stuff because some of the stuff was important, but we're going to get rid of a bunch of the other stuff, right? So what's the first thing that's jumping out to me, okay? The first thing that's literally screaming at me is this huge fair value gap in here, okay? That whole fair value gap is screaming at me. Now, what do I see on the left of this chart is a CB. Yeah? Now, let me make this super clear. Let me make this super duper clear. Oh shit. There we are. So we're going to make this red. Right, we're gonna make this red and we're gonna make this side green. So you know that this is a CB, which is CB, which also is basically the sell side imbalance shown on the left hand side. Okay, I like to call it a CB. Shout out to my friend who I want to get into contact very soon, Zusi, who lives in Dubai right now. He has somehow, in some way, created this sort of idea of CB and BC. Okay, and so you don't really need to know about the terms of the actual definition of this. I just like to use BC and CB, okay? It just helps me sort of keep my bearings correct, okay? Oh, actually, I want it at the bottom. I don't know what I'm doing. Stress, joking. So as soon as I see this happening, I see one thing that's darting to my eyes now. I see that there was a CB on the left. We created an imbalance out of this CB, meaning price is most likely going to continue to run higher. Okay, I see this line here, right? An area, not even that line specifically, this line specifically, even, right? This candle, this wick is going to represent a support level. Okay, I'm going to expect price to come down into this level, tap into this level here, right? I'm going to expect price to come into that level, tap into it, and begin to rip higher. And most likely, we can target this area of sell side, sorry, buy side. Oh shit. Buy side. Down here, we'll have sell side, obviously. Right? And on the left hand side, you can see I've drawn out an additional fair value gap, which I believe is on the 1 hour chart. Let me just get confirmation of that. Yeah, so you can see price can potentially come down into that specific level, liquidate sell side, liquidate sell side, liquidate sell side, and then we can potentially and most likely we'll see price make a move like this. Come here, target this, like so, okay? So I'm literally, because I've got quite a lot of confidence on this kind of trade, we're going to set a timer, boom, like so. Now, we don't need to get rid of this, but what I do want to do is we go back into the daily charts. Sometimes I do forget to do this. Let me just get rid of that so we don't need to keep pestering on silly stuff. Keep the visual order on the interval there. Let's go back into the 60-minute here. And we can see that price liquidated, came below, liquidated. We want to see it come down below this level here, come down below this level, and then we're going to try and take a long to hit this sell side, this buy side area. And that is literally it. I don't really see anything else really happening. I see that price has made a lot of moves recently. We've seen a lot of up down movement. I think we're getting towards the lows of the week, and now we're definitely going to start beginning to rip higher. And personally, if this does play out, then guys, we're looking at an absolute banger, all right? Now, I also want to say another thing. I called this out, and this is huge, okay? This is absolutely huge. If this video ever blows up, I don't know if it is going to blow up, but if it does, I want you guys to see this video, right? And I want you to realize something. I called out on the very, very first video I ever uploaded on YouTube. This is legit. I haven't uploaded any other video on YouTube ever in my life. First ever video I've uploaded, I literally said these exact words. You guys can go back on that video. I'm not even chatting shit. You can go into that video and I literally said where everyone was saying ETH is going to run higher, ETH is going to run higher. Yes, it ran higher to 3,400, took out these huge liquidity pools, and now, guess where it is, guys? Exactly where my eye was darting towards. Below the 3,000 level, alright? It went below the 3,000 level, now it's at 2,974. I literally said that word for word. If you look at my video, I literally said, I may just misquote this slightly, but I did definitely say, and I know for confidence that price is running lower on ETH, and ETH is going to go down to 2,900. And all I'm going to say is, if you guys were following these videos, if you guys are watching these videos, you know you were making bank of those calls, okay? And so there's only a certain amount of time until eventually this channel starts to blow up more. We get to thousands of subscribers, and people are going to open their eyes and realize that forget all these different traders, forget all these different people. I made legitimate calls that were legitimately making people money, all right? That's all I'm going to say for today's video. I hope you guys are making money. I hope this week coming up is going to be blessed for you guys. And yeah, please like and subscribe, and peace.